Hey guys, I'm Alice and I'm finally back with another video. So in case you follow me on Instagram, you might saw this little comic strip I posted up there. And in case you don't follow me, check the link down below. I post there somewhat frequently. And well, what else to say? It's just a pretty accurate picture of how the past month have been like. But don't worry, I'm not here to complain. I'm here to get back on the horse and shut up and draw. Alright, so here we go again. So yes, I haven't been drawing a lot in the past month. Why? You know, life happens and there was a shitload of work to do at my day job. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So I labored through this and the only creative outlet I had during 3 months was in my mind. I thought a lot about potential stories and characters, things I want to draw and topics for new videos. But by the time the deadlines were met and the projects at work were all finished, I was overwhelmed with free time. I know this sounds silly, but I really got used to working my ass off and having no time to chill. And from one day to the other, I had 3 weeks off. 3 weeks. And of course I was happy about this and already made some plans like, okay, I gotta do this and that and of course create that thing and yada yada yada. But I ended up with another month of barely creating a thing. I was exhausted and I was tired. And now, looking back, it's perfectly okay. There is a time to work, there is a time to rest, and there's time for art. But of course, this did not make sense during my holidays. Boy, did I stress out about everything. By the end of the first week, I was like, oh crap, my holiday is nearly over and I haven't done anything productive yet. Soon I have to go to work again. Will I have time to make art? What about my few YouTube subscribers? They want to see new videos or else they unsubscribe. Maybe I should buy a new camera. What would Jesus do? Just stop. And here comes something I need to tell myself once in a while. Calm down, Liz. You're not the center of the universe. And no one except a few cares if you make art and post a video or not. In fact, most people only care about their own stuff. And you for sure have another like 60 years on this planet to spend. So why the hurry? Speaking this out loud feels good. And I wanted to share this with you guys because I'm pretty sure that I'm not the only one stressing out about this. Please tell me I'm not the only one stressing out about this. Okay, so what about this whole shut up and draw thing? Well, initially I wanted to stop this mini project and rather focus on practicing my craft and, just document this with some videos. But, and I'm sure no one cares as much as I do, I don't want to be known as someone who does not finish things. So here I am, inking the third page of this mini comic that illustrates my year 2019. In the first few months of the year, everything went pretty well. So on this page, a metal ass gets kicked. Third page, finally finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you think about me talking so much in this video. Do you like it, or should I just let my art speak for itself? Anyways, please leave a like or a subscription, and as always, Liz over and out.